In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use emotes and sprays here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you are on a controller, Xbox, or PlayStation, just go ahead and press and hold that left D-pad button. And if you're on a keyboard, press that I key and it's going to open up the emotes and sprays wheel on the side of your screen. To actually use an emote, simply highlight it on the wheel and press the button that it shows on screen. So in this case, let's go ahead and just press up in the D-pad and we're going to do whatever this is supposed to be. Oh, actually, it looked like we shadowboxed. As soon as you let go of that button, the operator is going to instantly perform that emote. To use a spray though, you're going to have to head up to a blank wall or surface and once again hold that left D-pad or press I on the keyboard, hit RB to go over that spray and then you can go ahead and hit that same button and boom, you got a spray on there. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.